Imagine a world where your computer can write essays, your phone can plan your day, and your fridge can tell you what to cook. Sounds futuristic? Well, it's already here. Welcome to the world of artificial intelligence. What is AI really? Before we dive in, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a daily AI hack. So, what exactly is AI? In simple terms, AI or artificial intelligence is a type of technology that can learn, think, and make decisions, just like a human brain, but way faster. Think of it as software that can solve problems, recognize patterns, or even create content on its own. But AI isn't magic. It's powered by data, algorithms, and models. And while Hollywood loves to show robots taking over the world, real AI is much more practical and closer to your everyday life than you think. This is AI you use every day. Chatbots, voice assistants like Siri or Alexa, recommendation systems on Netflix or YouTube. It's smart, but it's specialized. It does one thing really well. This is the stuff sci-fi loves. AI that thinks, learns, and solves any problem like a human. We're not there yet, but research is progressing. And one day, maybe, AI could surpass human intelligence. But don't worry. Today's AI is all about making your life easier. Imagine automating your emails, summarizing reports, or generating content instantly. AI tools like ChatGPT can do this in seconds. Need a thumbnail, social media post, or concept art? Tools like Midjourney or DALL-E can create images from just a text description. AI apps can plan your day, set reminders, or even suggest the best route to work. Apps like Motion or AI-powered calendars make life easier. Want to learn a new skill or language? AI can create quizzes, summarize books, or even simulate conversations to practice your speaking. If you're finding these tips helpful, smash that like button and comment your favorite AI tool below. Let's say you need to write a blog post or a work report. You type a few prompts, and AI drafts the content in minutes, saving hours of work. Artists can use AI to generate concepts, musicians can create beats, and marketers can design campaigns faster than ever. Even simple tasks like planning meals, organizing finances, or learning a new recipe can be enhanced by AI. It's like having a personal assistant who never sleeps. But remember, AI isn't perfect. Always double-check outputs, respect privacy, and use AI responsibly. The future of AI is exciting. From self-driving cars to personalized healthcare, AI will touch every part of our lives. Learning to use it now gives you a huge advantage. But you don't have to wait for the future. Let's see how you can start using AI today. Start small. Pick one tool and integrate it into your daily routine. Maybe ChatGPT for emails, DALL-E for images, or an AI calendar for planning. Experiment, play, and see what works for you. Call to action. I'll link some of my favorite AI tools in the description. Check them out and start boosting your productivity today. So that's AI in a nutshell. Not science fiction, but a tool you can use every day to work smarter, create faster, and make life easier. If you learned something new today, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for daily AI tips. Subscribe, like, and watch next video.